boys. 9 o'clock Thursday morning. Gentlemen's hours. Let's go, boys. See if we can make something happen today, eh? You. Boys, check it out. She's glassy out there. Woo! I got a new dive wash too. We'll check this fella out today. Hopefully she goes to business. You! Starting off just trawling out again. Got the 1 meter deep diver. Oh, hopefully we get some redemption today, eh? Woo! Fingers crossed, boys. You! Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're heading out to my normal fishing spot. None of this new ground crap where I don't catch fish, so we'll try our luck back there. Obviously got the 1 meter and the 2 meter deep dive route trolling at the moment until I get out to my destination. Yeah, hopefully we do something decent today. We can catch something, eh? But anyway, guys, stick around, eh? You! Well, boys, we got 3 rods out. 2 with bait. That's got bait with a gang hook and a pilchard. That's got a pilchard half body. We got a soft plastic on this one that obviously just got stuck to the ground. There's a bit of stuff on the sounder. It's looking good. These grounds look good all the time. Always a lot of bait fish hanging around and stuff, but as always, guys, can't really promise much, but we'll give it a good hard crack at it, eh? So, whoo, stick around, boys. Whoo, hopefully we get something, eh? Alright, we're on, guys. Tighten this up a bit. Oh, we're on, guys. Oh, this is a bit of weight here too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is what we want, guys. This is what we want. Phew! Back to the normal ground. I'm onto something. Phew! Woo! Fuck yeah. This is what we want, boys. See? My normal fishing grounds. And we're back on. Oh, this is something decent too. Oh, what do we got? I think it might be a little sharky, guys. Yeah, it's either a catfish or a shark. It's a catty. We didn't want a catfish. Oh. Yeah, I know. I'm hearing you grunt, mate. I'm hearing you grunt. Anyway, it's a catfish, boys, so... Oh. Well, just a catfish, boys, so she's gone. 10:15, so high tide's at midday. Yeah, so We shall. I'm kind of thirsty. Got myself the coconut waters today, boys. Keep yourself hydrated, eh, when you're out in the sun. Phew. Oh yeah, it's gonna go down well. Phew. I'll bring you back when we catch another one, guys. You. So I just had a little hit on this, guys. Yeah, he's still on there. Better not be another caddy. It's not fighting like the cat. Oh, maybe it is fighting like the caddy. I feel little headies. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, it's not a catfish. What do we got, babe? Oh, we got a little squire, do we? Yeah, or a little brim. I think it's a squire. Yeah, boys. That's what we're after. First snapper for the season. Or first snapper actually this year for me. You. This is what we're after, boys. Something like that. He's undersized, obviously. But what a beautiful little fella, eh? Hey, what a beautiful little boy. Look at those colours. Phew. There you go, boys. Little squire. Little Bubba Squire. Might need any pliers for this one. Come on. I need to grease these boys up. Sorry, buddy. Open your mouth. I'll get it out. There you go. Say bye, buddy. See you, mate. You. That's what we're after, boys. We want your big brother, mate. Bring him around. You. We're on again, boys. It did a nice run too, this one. So I moved slightly further closer to the reef. Not quite out at the reef, but just on the reef edge still. Oh, had a nice run. Hopefully this is another snapper. Oh yeah, I'm feeling the head shakes. Yeah, it has to be. I'm guessing it for it. Oh, it's a decent sized one too this time. She's gonna come decent size this time, boys. Yes. Yeah, boys. Oh yes, I don't think that's gonna be legal. But we're definitely gonna measure him up. Yes, snappy number 2. Now this is what the fishing's normally like, boys. I just been getting skunked lately. Big time. I'll deal with this and I'll bring you back, okay? There you go, boys. He's actually just over the 35. So he's technically legal. Yeah, so you. Yeah, boys. Yes. This is what we wanted. Back. Redemption. Yoo-hoo! Snapper time. Boys. You. I'll bring you back again, guys. All right, boys. This big boy just went off. Oh, yeah. Okay. Don't fail me now, whatever you do, buddy. Oh, yes. Hopefully he's another snapper. Oh, boys, yes. We're going to get tangled around that line, eh? Oh. Come around this way, guys. Come around this way. Oh, okay. Oh, boys. It ain't a snapper. It's a caddy. Oh, damn shame, eh? Bloody big catfish, though. But anyway, I'll get rid of him. And I'll bring you back again soon, guys. Woo! We're on again, guys. I'll tighten that up a bit. This one's putting up a decent little fight, eh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, did he come off? Oh, you bastard. Oh, no. That's a shame. Oh, must have just took the bait. Anyway. Literally, oh boys, as soon as I threw another one out. It's recording you. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, I nearly lost this rod. It nearly went overboard. The nav light caught the reel, luckily. Oh, she's a snappy. It's another little squire. Oh, there's a couple. They're chasing each other around. This one's only a little fella again, but hey, where there's little ones, there might be big ones, boys. And that's what we're hoping for, eh? Phew, another little snapper. Beautiful. I'll bring you back in a sec. There you go, boys. That's what we're after. Phew. Bit bigger though. See you, matey. Phew. Come on, big rod. I want a big snapper. Another big one. Another panty. Boys, it's 11:15. High tide's at midday, but I'm kind of keen to go for a swim, a snorkel again. Got the spear gun and everything with me, so I'm gonna head over back to the island again. I'm gonna try my luck again for diving under the blue, and we'll see how we go. Phew! Let's do it, boys. Pretty calm up here. We'll go up here. Yeah, I'll dive around here, guys. It's calm as in here. Phew! Oh, beautiful. Phew. Yeah, dude. Let's get in the water. Yes. Boy, I don't know if you can see it. Old mate's boat is like right there. And he's there now swimming out for it. I was watching it and I was thinking, I didn't think anyone was in that boat. And I just passed them along there. And they waved to me, so they must have went for a walk and then friggin'... Yeah. Hey, I might have to go help them out. Boat just floated away, on them. Poor fellas. Moody Blues. Yeah. So there you go, boys. Woo! Those boys are lucky I turned up when I did. Lesson, mate. Put an anchor out and put another anchor out the front. So your boat just sits there like that. So I got an anchor there and my other anchor's out the back. So she just sits there nicely and can't go anywhere. Oh, they're lucky, eh? So lucky, but woo! Whew. Anyway, let's jump in this water, eh? See how we go. You. Let's hope it still stays and looks clean, eh? How are you, brother? Good, man. Yeah, have a bit of fun. Had to rescue these boys' boat. Their boat drifted on. I had to go rescue it. Yeah. Well, boys, time to leave the island. It was nice swimming, but the current was flowing a bit, and I kept fogging up my goggles for some reason today, or it was just murkier. But I think my goggles fogged up a little bit. But I kept trying to re-clean them, and I don't know. It seemed a bit. The current's pulling through, and I don't know. Anyway, can't win them all, can you? You. Let's head out and do a little bit more fishing before I call it a day, eh? Let's go, boys. Say bye to the island. You. Whitecapping everywhere, guys. It was a very slow ride back. It's whitecapping all the way into Tingalpa Creek. Mad, eh? So I'm just gonna call it a day. I'll see you at the boat ramp.
So I'm gonna do something about it.
I reckon now we change the
music. Okay, I haven't got exact confirmation that I'm allowed to do this.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Well, I haven't got it cleared.
What do you mean? What are you saying? Do we need to stop this?
Cute, Bobby. We're at the beach. You reckon, Bubba? We're at the beach. Want to go check it out? Let's go. You're a balancing little dog, aren't you? Let's go, Bubba. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Come on, Bubba. Come on, Bubba. Beautiful down here, eh? Wellington Point. Woo! Come down here for a swim sometimes. That's salt water, Bubba. Don't drink it. Eh? That's salt water, Bubba. Don't drink it. Don't run off too far. Oh, big hole there. Is that a flatty hole, Bob? You find a flatty hole? You go swimming? Eh? You going swimming? That's a gear. Go for a swim. That's a gear. You go swimming. Yeah. Bubba's swimming. Swim back this way, Bubba. Swim back this way, Bubba. Millie's swimming. Good girl, Bubba. You went for a swim. Good swim, Bubba. Hey, good swim. Yeah, you're clever. Clever girl, aren't you? Don't jump on Dad. That's a girl. That's my girl. Go swimming, Bubba. Go swim. Go swimming. Hey, you go swimming again. Go swimming, Bubba. Yeah? Blowing bubbles underwater? You gonna go swimming again? Or are you hungry? Should we go cook a fish? You hungry, Bubba? Yeah? Daddy's hungry. Yeah. Let's go cook this fish, Bubba. Let's do it. You! Hey, Bubba. I think he just wants to Yeah. Threw a little solar panel out, catch a bit of sun. Well, we got the fridge running, but here's the cooking station, boys. Oh, I gotta get that snapper out of the fridge. Okay. The snappy. A lovely little snappy. Daddy snapper, Bubba. Daddy snapper, hey. Daddy got the snapper. Oh, just make sure that fridge is closed properly. Yep. Alrighty, boys. Let's get this started. So it's going to do a few big deep scores in it, but on an angle, not straight down, on the angle, like a 45. Nice sharp knife, doing it nicely. I'm just going to cross it. Do the same on the other side. Okay. We shall get some oil in this pan now. Just a bit of rice bran oil, nothing fancy. Nothing fancy, make sure that's sitting pretty level. As level as it can be anyway. Just do that on the ground. Say it, Bubba. Millie, stay here. Alright guys, we'll just throw the oil in. We'll get that pan, let that pan heat up for a bit, and then I can drop the fish in, eh? Oh, bit of coconut water. You good, Bubba? You right, Bubba? What's the time? 9:15. The oil looks like it's starting to heat up a bit. Starting to see a few little bubbles in there. I'll let it heat up a bit more. Yeah. So that's the idea, just score it, and then when I fry it, it will make it all nice and crispy, and then we get to utilize the whole fish. Hey, you beautiful boys, nice size snappy. You. Well, I reckon she's ready to drop in, boys. So I ain't gonna be silly. I'm gonna do it like this, and just slowly. You're a good girl, Bubba. What's the matter, Bubba? You want some of the fish stew? Yeah, Bubba. You can get some. Hey, you're gonna get some, don't worry. Oh, look at that skin. Just look at that. That looks good already, doesn't it? Woo! Really want to cook the tail too. Make it real crispy. Big horseflies are biting me around here. I hate these horseflies, eh? gonna flip again, guys. Damn, these balls flies, man. Keep biting me. Snapper.
Just over there.
Oh, I was over at Green Island yesterday.
Oh, did you get it yesterday?
Yeah, it was beautiful yesterday. Millish. So yeah, so not King Island, the next island over. Yeah, on the boat. Yeah, and did a bit of diving and snorkeling and all that. Yeah, enjoy fishing. Hopefully you catch something. Yeah, nice. Millie, B.O. Bubba, come on. Look at this beautiful fish we got to eat, huh? You. There you go. There you go, boys. So there's only one thing left to do. Let's hook into this. Ew. Hopefully no birds come and steal it. There you go, guys. I'm just going to cook the wings up a little bit more. Make them nice and crispy. Or the tail, not the wings, sorry. But, yeah. Beautiful, eh? We'll hook into a bit of this. Oh, yeah. That's great. Millie, you want a bit of this, Bubba?